right, so yeah, didn't get a video last night to see the car done. Pretty much was trying to wrap up and get it done. Held off on the brakes. Oil percentage is like 25%, and I kind of hate that it is, but I didn't know where it was before we started taking it apart. So we are actually, you know, oil's in the bag, brakes in the bag, just in case I have to actually work on my stuff. Actually have to work on my stuff at GPI just in case. If they tell me the oil is too low, or honestly, if the car don't stop good enough on the dyno, I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, like I said, I kind of ran out of time. Unless I was gonna stay up all night, which I'm not against, but last night I wasn't staying up, man, honestly. So here we are on the way. It's raining. Had some scares, as we would say, pretty much. You know, of course, we're going to get the reduced engine power due to the 5-inch intake and everything, but the oil pressure went up past, I want to say it was maybe 50 PSI. Come on now, it's 6:30 in the morning, shouldn't be no traffic at all. But yeah, man, it didn't scare me for a bit, and then instantly the fans came on. But I know that's possibly just due to the air pockets, you know, that we put in there by losing a little bit of coolant. Though we didn't lose that much coolant, it still had to catch up. So you know, kind of let the car kind of circulate a little bit, and it went away, of course. But yeah, definitely just getting on the road. We probably got a good 2 hours before we get to GPS, so I'll update y'all as we go. All right, so we at GPI, man, honestly, and it's a graveyard full of bills and everything out here. I think this is Kevin 6 Gen. Let's see if we can turn the camera around here. Yeah, man, so here we are in the graveyard between the shop, motors. We actually got to get on. I don't know what the hell that may be mine, as far as I know. I can't even really fucking tell. So let's get down here, see what's going on. So we'll get to my build later. Few things going on down here. They got the vid on the dyno right now, so let's see what's going on with the vid on the dyno. Get down here. 5th gen with AGP 388 manual. Waiting on turbos to come back. Let's get down here. Oh. Sleep. Let's go on the other side and see if we can hear it from back here. Can't even see in the car. Like I said, it's on the dyno. Yeah, kind of wish I would have just recorded that, but pretty much doing some short pulls, just making sure the fuel trims are good, and you know, just trying to see where it lands. But we'll see how much power she makes here in a second. Look at this, another spec Z06, kind of just like mine. Pretty much full lot. My boy Brandon car. Full lot, hell, everything you can think of out here. 6 gens, C6s, C7s, hell, a CTSV, everything you can think of. What is this car still doing out here? I'm gonna have to hit Brandon and be like, what's going on, man? What's really going on? Get this thing back out there. But yeah, man, this stuff looks sweet out here. Fox body. Wouldn't expect to see a Fox. Like that intake right there. Got a Z01. I think that's still the first that Z01 that's been here for a while now, actually. Oh, I heard the car crank back up. Hold on. Let's get back here. Loud as hell back here. All right, came back. Fuel's a little fat, but trying to bleed the blower. Try to figure out, well, make the blower a little happy. Let it cool down. We're gonna bleed the blower. Make sure we don't got any vacuum leaks. Like I told him, there's only a few lines that we actually disconnected for the blower, but make sure we don't have no vacuum leaks and, you know, things like that so we can make the power. I can't see. Looks like it's right at 600. So of course nothing's been pulled, no timing or anything like that. So I imagine we'll be able to get a little bit of horsepower at this thing. We just got to get there. And like I say, get the fuel right and be good to go. We almost done here, my guys. We got the Holly. I smell gas.